little bit more fabricating done today. The rear swim step side and end pieces got installed with some partial welds. Both of those, they went in pretty nice. Gives it a nice finished off look overall. I also got quite a bit of the welding done. I welded out most of the, where is it? That's the 3/8 to the 3/16 joint for the bottom plate. Then the engine bears and the longitudinals, those are 100% welded and installed, as well as these outer lateral braces. The transom is welded in 100% on the inside. I got some of it done on the outside. You got to go slow with that, otherwise you will end up bending or warping that back ride plate, if you will. Let's see, I've got some of the side to the bottom. That's when you're welding a 3/16 to an 1/8 inch side here, you got to make sure your gun is pointed down at the bottom plate and just washing up onto this thinner plate, otherwise you'll blow through it. And those all turned out pretty good. I got some of the inside weld of the chine extension up into the bow, as well as the keel. So pretty good progress on the inside. We're gonna finish that off next time. Thanks again for joining the channel and following on this RSRacecraft Skookum 13 kit build. We're gonna call this day 5. Last time was 4.5, so today was about a half a day as well. So we're gonna call it end of day 5. Just showed you the weld out, what was finished, the swim step caps and ends to those things. It's going to be, this is about the last day for me for a while. I've got a wedding to attend to this weekend. And what else? Then I've got the dentist, all kinds of fun life stuff, and then got to go back to work on this 1st. So this thing's going to be put on hold for a few days. So I'll just upload this quick video showing the weld out progress. One other thing is I got the package from RSRacecraft. I got the handles. They sent them really long, so however you like them, got those cut out. They come in as a pack of 4. You get 2 on the swim step, 1 on the bow, and 1 as a grab handle on the dash for your passenger. So got those in the mail. Also got the steering system. I think they call it the Batwing steering wheel. Kind of took a look at that, how that goes together. That the next thing after this weld out is going to start to be the rigging. And having built, like I said, I think 6 jet sprints, I know that that's the time consuming part. The boat here is the easy part. Like I said, we're on 5. It'll probably be finished, the hull will be finished by day 6. And then it's going to take at least that many days for the rigging and then some, I would think. I'm not familiar with the Kawasaki's. The good news is the pump is going to just drop right in. I also got the grate bars or the grill, depending if you're from North America or New Zealand. I think they call them a grill down there. We call them a grate up here. Got that stuff in as well, so the pump should drop right in, bolt in, and off I go. I took a look today at the engine mounts. These are the Kawasaki mounts, and this is the Kawasaki engine mount that came out of the jet ski. So I was taking a look at that today. I think I figured out how those are going to go in. Pretty simple stuff, and but like I said, that's the easy part. It's all the electrical, the fuel lines, the water lines, the exhaust. All that kind of stuff is very time consuming. So that will be in the next coming episodes, but it's probably realistically going to be close to a week until I get to that stuff. Thanks again for joining us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tell your friends how awesome this channel is, and we'll see you next time.